Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted messages or restore deleted messages. If you want to recover your all deleted messages and restore your all deleted messages, so let's see how to do that. And in this time you can easily recover your deleted WhatsApp messages and recover your deleted text or SMS messages and recover and restore your deleted Gmail messages and recover your Facebook and Messenger deleted messages or chat history, and easily recover or restore your all deleted email messages or chats, and then you can easily recover your Instagram messages or chats, and then recover and restore your all deleted Telegram chats or messages. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Go to your Google Play Store. And then you can see Google Play Store. Open it. And then search recover deleted messages. And then scroll down, and in this time you can see recover deleted messages. Please open this app. Recover deleted messages beta. Please install this app. And then open it. And then you can choose start. And then choose and selected your need language. And in this time I can choose English language, and then right top corner click on it. Got it. And in this you can see your all phone apps, and in this time you can easily recover or restore your all deleted messages or chats. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, you can choose and selected your need recover deleted messages or chats apps. So in this time I can choose and selected my need apps, and then you can see messages, so click on it, and then Messenger, TikTok, and then Facebook, click here, Gmail, click on it, Telegram, and then scroll down, and then choose email, so click here email, and then scroll down, and then you can see next option, click here, permission required, and then choose storage permission, so click on it, and then choose allow, and then folder access Android 11, click on it, use this folder, click here, use this folder, click here, allow option, choose, and then notification reader, click on it, recover deleted messages, open it, and then turn on this option, allow notification access, turn on, and then go back, and then choose auto restart, and in this time you can see your selected phone apps in this here: Telegram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Imo, Messenger, Facebook, Gmail, messages, and then more apps. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted messages or chats. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.